Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Rennick here to take you through this week's market action. Stocks did get a bump on Friday, but still closed lower on the week, with the small caps doing the worst. The Russell lost more than 4%. The Nasdaq and S&P both shed more than 3%, and the Dow lost 2%. All sectors, with the exception of healthcare, were down. Financials, the worst performer, lost 6%. Discretionary down almost 5.5%, and energy got hit too. The week-long sell-off pushed the S&P to near its 200-day moving average. The flirtation was the story of the second half of the week, and the Nasdaq did breach its not good statistically, but also perhaps support. Technicians will argue the point again next week as we get more economic data. Tariff uncertainty remained one of the scapegoats, some saying that they're the cause of the sell-off. President Trump said he could impose reciprocal tariffs on Canadian lumber and dairy on Friday. That comes after the president confirmed the U.S. would pause tariffs on goods compliant under the USMCA agreement just the day prior. And Bitcoin chopped below 95,000 throughout the week, despite the president signing an executive order to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve late Thursday. It will be funded by coins seized in criminal or civic proceedings. The executive order says, quote, "Our nation must harness, not limit, the power of digital assets for our prosperity," end quote. Nothing about buying Bitcoin just yet. And Broadcom was an earnings highlight. The company reported a strong number in spite of market weakness, and the shares were rewarded for it. The chip company posted nearly $15 billion in revenue, and AI sales grew 77% in the quarter. The company's CEO expects momentum to continue as hyperscale partners invest in AI chips and connectivity solutions for AI data centers. It was a good message for tech right when it needed it. Next week is a little bit lighter on earnings, but we do get reports from Oracle, Adobe, Dick's Sporting Goods, and Dollar General. The economic data is important as well, of course, too. JOLTS, CPI, PPI, and jobless claims. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Rennick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.